This is the letter H. This is how we write the letter H. The sound of the letter H is H.
Look at the girl in the hat. She is walking with the horse. The horse has hooves. The horse likes to eat hay.
Hay is also used for the roof of the hut. There is a hammer on the ground. There is also a hen with the chick.
Look at the words hut, hammer, hay. All begin with the letter H. Do you know the sound of letter H? It's H.